Hello, Crypto Chaos. How's it going, guys? How's it going? I almost didn't wake up this morning. Oh my gosh, how's it going, guys? Wake up, let's wake up. Let's go. Oh, jeez. It's I, of course, the Crypto Otaku, back yet again for some more Crypto Chaos and the news, where you guys, of course, come for the chaos. No, you come for the news, but you stay for the chaos. Oh my god, guys.
Stupid?
Yes, I'm feeling some sort of way this morning. How's it going, guys? How's it going? Not the markets, though. The markets really don't bother me at all. 108,200 on Bitcoin today. $108,000. The same price level we saw the day before, guys. And what I told you guys last night we were going to do. It happened, of course. It happened. The same thing I told you.
We're going to win so much.
We're going to win so much.
Even get tired of winning.
We're so tired of winning. So tired of the same stuff. Same different day. Let me get some coffee. Yeah. Thanks, Bill. Thanks, Bill. Smash that clock, guys. Smash that clock. Let's get going. Let's get going. Crypto JPEG in the house says, I won. He won. He's here first. He's here first. He beat the rest of you guys. Crypto JPEG, you're the man. You're the man. This morning, you the man. My camera's a little messed up from last night. What is going on? Jesus. All right. Yes, we got, yes, Grand Rising Otaku fam. Yes, Gamma Gana is here. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, I had a little too much of what I did yesterday. Crypto JPEG's like, yes, first, let's freaking go. Yes, Crypto Chaos, got to bring on the news, Otaku. I will find it for you. This is my duty, good sir, to find the news. Let's go, let's go. I hope we find some more Doom today. I really do. We need some more. We need some more chaos. Yes, speaking of more chaos, all right, let's dive into, I gotta finish with the chat. Good morning, peeps. Good morning, Nebs. How you doing, Nebs? Hopefully you're a day closer to getting going. I'm rooting for you, my man. I'm rooting for you. Yes, Gamma guys say yes. Grand Rising Otaku Chaos family. Let's get this money, Gamma. Let's do it. Let's do it. Master Otaku. When soon? When soon? You guys know the soon. The soon's gonna happen soon.
When will then be now? Soon.
Okay, yes. GGXN to $26 straight from the source. Yep. Definitely gonna see that. We're definitely gonna see that.
What are you, stupid?
Yes. Gamma Gana says, hello, Bobbin. Yes, Bobbin. Yeah, top of the morning to you, my family. Good morning, Attila. Good morning. I bought more XCN today. It's a great day. It's a great day. It's a great day. I'm thinking more of the $2 area, says Gamma Goddess. Man, I would just melt if we were able to get that going. I wouldn't have to work ever again. Manifest 26 says Bobbin. Yes, we're gonna be in Thailand soon, my friend. Thailand soon. Coming soon. Where's the chaos comb? I need the chaos comb this morning. Let's go. There we go. That works. Yes. Damn. Really. I'm selling it at 0.1. Yeah. You're selling it at 10 cents. I think that's my target too easy. Actually, I'm starting to DCA out. I believe on XCN on 10, 15 cents, something like that. Jeff Sharp, good morning. Jeff Sharp, good morning, my man. Good morning. All right, guys, let's get into the charts. Enough of the pleasantries. I am I'm drawing all over the chart, not grabbing it. Okay. So right now we're looking at about 4 minutes until the market open. So we do have a little bit of time. I do want to, of course, refresh, of course, where we left off from yesterday's live stream. If you didn't catch yesterday's live stream, of course, we were winning on the charts. Yes, and Bitcoin doing the same thing it did. I told you guys last night, I said, this is our baseline target. This is going to bring our bull or our bear. And of course, the chaos magic showed us the way. I even said, guess what? We might do something like this, just like we did the night before, because some weird stuff happening in the foreign markets right now. They're just going sideways. We pumped yesterday. We dumped yesterday. And now they're doing the exact same thing. I told you guys this yesterday. They did yesterday in the foreign market. They just went sideways. So we're pretty much running on our base case scenario right on top of it, basically. I showed you guys yesterday. I scribbled it right there. We're going to be probably doing the same thing, a little bit higher, again, slightly higher than we started the entire trend. We did lose a little bit of the overall bull trend here, but we're returning it to it right now in the morning. I still think it's a little too early to tell. We're waiting for lower levels to confirm that we're going to have a bigger pullback. We need to see at least 105, and then, of course, the big one, 103,000. Nothing has changed. And we have the SC roundtable today where we could get some announcements that could move markets. We just don't know. We don't know. Okay. Got to have all the NXCN morning says Gamma got us. Yeah, Gamma got us 100%. XCN's still down. What? I mean, it pumped a little bit, right? And it looks like it's got some tight price action to the upside. It's been a while since I played this, but it's got some tight price action.
Yes, do it like a tiger. Yes. Yeah, like a tiger. Yes.
Like a tiger blood, man.
Yes. Only got one speed. Go. Freaking Charlie Sheen. All right. Tight. Yeah. Tight price action on XCN this morning. I wonder what other coins have the same exact thing on their chart, or if there's any news happening for XCN today. Speaking of which, Andy Bobandi, let's go. $10 pound.
Give me money. Money now. Me a money needing a lot now.
Me a coffee needing a lot of coffee right now. Holy crap, I can't wake up, guys. Andy, how's it going? Yes, a 10 pound sterling. Thanks again for the super chat this morning, supporting the live stream. I really appreciate it, my man. Bored and need some chaos. When the moon, it's coming, my dude. Of course, it's coming soon.
When will then be now? Soon.
Oh, jeez. Okay, guys, we got, what, 2 minutes? About 2 minutes to market open. And I am not ready. I don't even think I have I don't even have a browser pulled up this morning. I am off my game. Okay. I'm a little too flighty this morning. I'll just say that. A little too flighty. Okay. What do we have here? Got to have an XCN moonbag. Moonbag is what Gamma said. I'm seeing things too. Moonbag, yes. I think I have enough to leave a moonbag in. I don't even remember the size of my bag. Let me see. Gotta have at least 1 million XCN to leave around. Yeah. I got a moonbag for sure. Yeah, I could swing that, Gamma. I'm right there with you. I'm right there. What is going on with my internet today? Holy crap. Whoa. Yeah, everything's like delayed and slowed. Whoa. I'm about to crash, guys. Amazon Web Service about to crash again. I had a nightmare about that, actually. I had a nightmare that the Amazon Web Service crashed again. I was watching something on Amazon Prime and passed out, and I could have sworn I was like, dude, I think it's gonna happen again. Oh no, a little paranoid this morning. Cody Vakula, good morning. I can't wake up either. Okay, I'm not the only one. I tried so hard to go to bed early last night, and I still keep tossing and turning until 2 a.m. It's crazy. All right. So anyway, we're looking at the order books here real quick. Just to give you guys an idea what we're dealing with in the morning. We've seen a big buy wall, right? We still see a big buy wall, I think. 1.1 million coming in here hot, buying off right here. We had a whole bunch of sell-offs right there too. Look at that! Wow, 800,000, 500,000, 500, a lot of $500,000 sell-offs right there. Little bit of a pullback happening right before the open this morning. We got about 30 seconds, guys. It's probably about time we head over there. I feel like I'm gonna crash. I hope we don't see a crash. All right. Let me see if I can control this before the live shuts down. All right, Bloomberg, coming at you with the open. Hopefully, it's trying. It's really trying. Damn.
Time when policy in Washington is driving Wall Street.
All right. I think. All right, I'm gonna try to kill something else. I don't know what else to kill. I think I got everything else shut down. Oh, my Photoshop didn't shut down. Okay, let's do that. All right. That should give me a little bit of stability, maybe. I don't want to crash in the very beginning of the live stream. Come on. Oh, I think it's better. I think it's getting better. All right, guys, 20 seconds. Market bell opens now. Let's do it.
Trading. You are watching Bloomberg Open Interest with me, Danny Berger. Matt Miller off today. Futures doing a whole lot of nothing after a whole lot of nothing yesterday. That doesn't mean there's no risks. We've had lots of earnings, some good like energy providers, some bad like toy companies and Netflix. Hence, you're seeing NASDAQ futures off this morning by about 0.1%. Russell 2000 futures off this morning as well. We're looking at NOAA opening the ringing bell down over at the New York Stock Exchange. And Master Beef. How about that? Master Beef. I'm going to be honest, I'm not sure what Master Beef does, but they are over at the NASDAQ ringing the bell. But For what it's worth, you do have Beyond Meat having a huge day yesterday, the day before.
Damn.
So a good day for all meat and non-meat products. Netflix, though, I said it's one of the stocks to watch this morning. Shares are down 8.5%. They had a dispute with Brazil that cut into their third quarter earnings that otherwise would have mostly beat analyst estimates. Their name has also been floated as a company maybe that might be interested in Warner Brothers Discovery. I mentioned toy makers not doing well. Mattel down 7.5% this morning. U.S. retailers have delayed their orders of toys coming in because they just don't know what tariffs will look like. Finally, Alphabet shares up 1.25%. They're in talks with Anthropic about a cloud deal valued in the high tens of billions of dollars. So sure, a little bit of shakiness when it comes to Netflix and Mattel. But besides that, in the very early days of third quarter earnings, we are on course for the best performance since 2001. About 85% of S&P 500 firms have surpassed profit estimates so far. It stands out because analysts did set the bar higher. They raised projections heading into the period. So let's bring in Dana Doria, Co-Chief Investment Officer and Group President at Envestnet. Dana, great to see you this morning. Is this a case of just the bar being low as it usually is and we're topping it, starting to emerge in this earnings season?
Well, I think you can't ignore that this is so far, it is a pretty good earnings season. I wouldn't say that the bar is low. I mean, look, we have such a high valuation in the market right now. We're priced really kind of for perfection. Now, of course, a lot of that is the top heavy, largest companies in the market. But still, I mean, this market is not cheap, by any standards. And so I think it is a good sign that we're seeing these beats, 85% to your point. There's a few cracks here and there, but they look fairly idiosyncratic. And I mean, even.
All right. Not feeling it right out the gate. I'm just not feeling it. My computer's about to crash, guys. But Andy coming in with some alpha this morning. I'm going to pull this up real quick, see what we got here. Thank you, Andy, for attempting to save me. This entire thing is about to crash. Oh, no. All right. So, yeah, let's see what Andy's got pulled up for me today. Thank you. I appreciate the quick save, Andy. Oh, man. We got, of course, something popping up here. Dang, what is going on? My monitors are all getting kind of freaky now, too. Oh, no. Oh, I just went dark. What happened? Yeah, my monitor just died. What the hell is going on? Oh, guys, I might have to come back. This might have just killed my life. I think it's crashing. Dang. Everything just went black. Yeah, we might be out, guys. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna probably have to restart, guys. I don't know what else to do. I'm losing monitors now. Yep. That killed it. I think that killed it. You guys are looking at a monitor I don't even typically ever show. All right, screw it. I'm gonna just try to run with this. This is crazy. I think I just got a little bit of control back. Yeah, there we go. We'll try this. Oh no, you guys still can't even see that monitor. Wow, what is going on? It's like my computer's like starving for power. Oh my God. All right. The other monitor just turned back on. Crazy. Yeah, but everything's all jank. Wow, campfire stories. All right. Yeah, guys. This is pretty jank. I don't know what to do. I can probably share the other screen, maybe. Turn this one off because I do regain control after it is dead. All right, I'm gonna try to do that. This is crazy. All right. Let me just see if I can share that screen real quick. Should be this one here. Nope. How about this one? Nope, not that one. This one. Come on. Yeah, okay, YouTube's not even responding. Yeah, YouTube's not even responding now. All right, guys, I'm going to restart my computer real quick. I got no other option. I tried everything to keep it going. I'll be right back, guys. I apologize for these. I need a new computer. We need Bull Run so I can build a new computer. All right, the buttons still work. All right, I'll be right back, guys.